Hey guys, we'll be back into this our fifth video in JavaScript programming with OSP Pro. We'll come back from your previous where you're from, guys. May God bless you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. All of you guys who like my videos, you guys who shared my YouTube channel to your friends. May God bless you. Now come back again today. Today in this video, man, I'm going to show you friends on how we can actually tend to find a way how to use what known as data types. There's something very important in programming. If you remember very well, if you try to remember when we happen to cover one known as variables. If you say maybe variable give assumption maybe x and x is equal to 7. Now in a simple term, if you are really from math environment, we'll discover this is one known as an integer. An integer is a counting number, does not have a decimal place value. Now another thing is that if at all a number is having maybe it is 7 point something, definitely we shall get to know two things involved. Either the number is going to be a float or a number is going to be one known as a double. Now I want us to find something like that in a simple term and how to print them down in a given program. Now the first thing I have to explain to you guys to understand this is that if I turn to based on one known as a data type of a given program, if I turn to print up this program and say echo for me here one known as x. Now to echo from x here, definitely we shall get one known as x is equal to 7. Now the reason why it's giving me x equals to 7 is because the data type is one known as an integer. But if I happen to press something like that in the program, this one definitely implies to our side that the number is a one known as either a double or a one known as a float. So that's what you have to know whenever you're going to be giving up your program. And if you mix with the letters like that, then definitely this is how the program will understand does not print anything. Now that's maybe what you guys may tend to find whenever you're using a browser, because with the browser does not behave like with the console. With the console may show you where the error is, but whenever you use a browser and you're using one known as alert statement, definitely it will not show you and imply for you what is going to be there. Now another thing that I have to talk about at the moment is one known as a string, which is very important and very initial whenever you're giving up your given program. So what do I talk about here? There are two ways how we respect a string. I give assumption if this is string 1, the string 1 is having one known as a single quote, and maybe saying maybe a single quote like that, a single quote maybe I love maybe programming. If that's the case, I love programming. Now if you check here, this is a single quote. If I want to give one maybe a string 2, which is maybe like that, maybe let me just say hello world. Now you'll discover that this is what will happen here. Now this is how we tend to give a respect to strings whenever, or a data type for a string whenever using one as JavaScript. We either give using a single quote or we give using a double quote statement to print up our given a statement that would like a program to JavaScript to print out for us. So definitely if I come back here and I say maybe string or maybe 2 or whatever we may give, definitely to respect that as if it is a string 1. This is what I mean. If I use that and I just change this one to string 1, still I'll get the same kind of ways how the thing will be printing it out for us. So guys, that's it for this time. Hope you guys will meet again on the next video where we shall be learning one another's objects and how to use them. So guys, if this video happened to help you, please make sure you subscribe to your OSP Pro and then make sure we're on the same platform. So share this video to your friends, share the platform to your friends, and please make sure you comment. Then I've said again for you guys, whoever wants to do any program with us, please just comment down there and then we shall find out giving you a link on how to access us physical. So guys, may God bless you. Love you all. Thank you.